guys, and welcome back. This is going to be a short update on the channel, but stay tuned. In the end of this video I will announce how you might be the lucky winner of the giveaway celebrating the 1,000 subscribers, which is now somewhere in the past, and we're getting closer to 2,000. But anyway, I have a giveaway coming up. Stay tuned for the end of this video, and you will hear how you join the competition, and you might be the lucky winner. This is the second channel update here from my little workshop. First of all, sorry to all my friends and subscribers. Sorry for taking such a long time. I know it's been long overdue, but that's the way it is. But we're here now, and you're here now, and I'm very happy. I'm very happy for that. As always, January is just I've been working a lot. The weather has been terrible. This place here has just been a mess. I open the door and look in, and I give up. I need my workspace to be quite tidy if I have to be creative. When I'm working on projects and filming videos, I keep it very tidy, and I keep it organized. But when I'm in between things, it just clogs up, it builds up. It's a very small space here, and it doesn't take a lot for this to be very messy. And to be honest with you guys, it doesn't take more than 5-10 minutes to organize it, to sweep the floor, to put all the tools back in their place, and to make this place, to make this workshop back to working condition, and into a place where I feel like actually spending time and being creative with you guys. But somehow it just becomes a huge thing inside my head, and it becomes like a bump on the road that I can't get over, even though it's such a tiny effort to actually. Do you know what I mean? I don't know if I make any sense, but sometimes small things becomes very big things, and it's difficult to move on, even though it's completely irrational and silly. That's the way I work sometimes. So here we go. Let me know in the comments below if you also struggle with January, or if you also like to keep your workspace tidy and you can't work in a mess. I would love to feel like I am not the only one with this sort of weirdness. My workflow in my professional day job has been big lately, and I haven't been able to get like a full day off to actually go out into the nature or do a craft video or a proper video. I have had some mornings off and some early days, but that's enough for me to go out into the forest and film wildlife and catch some amazing b-roll and just recharge my inner batteries in the wild. But not enough to actually make proper videos for you guys, and then that's the way January is. There's one thing I want to share with you. I am obsessed with getting good footage of the wolf. I am obsessed with the wolf. The wolf is back in Denmark, and not too far away from where I am. There's a wolf territory. I have had some amazing experience with the wildlife in general over the last year, and especially with the wolf. I've seen wolves and wolf cubs a few times over the last 12 months, and I haven't been able to get awesome footage yet, but I've just been obsessed with getting that one good shot that I can share with you guys. The wolves are shy, and I'm not a professional photographer or a wildlife photographer or anything, and sometimes my gear is not the best. Sometimes it's too rainy and my gear is not waterproof. Sometimes it's too foggy and I can't see anything. Sometimes the sun is too low or too high and the light won't work. And sometimes it's just very, very bad luck. But as you can see here, I did get some shaky, blurry footage and one decent shot. And yeah, I'm still waiting for that one shot. So every time I get a little time off, I have a really strong drive to just go out there and see if I'm lucky again. I don't know if you guys know this feeling of being obsessed with the idea of achieving something, and just it's back in there, it's in the back of my head 24 hours a day. But the chance of getting this one shot that I have in mind is just it's an obsession. Let me know if you guys know what I mean. If you also recognize this feeling of getting a really strong sense of achievement or goal and just need to power through for it. Let me know in the comments below. For me, being close to wildlife, and especially the wild boar or the big red deers or the wolf, it makes me feel so much alive, and it makes me feel humble and it makes me feel so lucky. I have this one shot of a morning of encountering a big male wolf who did not see me, and just out of the blue he was there, and I managed to get the camera going and shoot this footage. It's shaky. I don't have any stabilization, but this is so far the best I've got. I had one experience with 4 wolves at the same time in the morning, just when there was enough light to see. I was actually sharing this experience with my brother, and we were blown away. That was a strong experience. They were maybe at 30 meters distance to us. They went up on a little mound before they saw us. They caught us in the wind. They all 4 looked at us at the same time. We had eye contact, and then they disappeared. But it was too dark for my camera to see anything. One day, guys, I will be able to share this magic with you. It's a passion of mine, and yeah, I'm crazy. I'm obsessed. That's the way it is. The blacksmith project is a little on hold. You saw in one of my earlier videos, I'll put a little card to it up here. I managed to set up the forge with the bellows I made. It worked a little bit. They just didn't work good enough, and I've tried refitting them with other leather I had. I think there's a design flaw that makes it really difficult for me to make them airtight. I tried with waxed and oil-soaked linen cloth to see if that could do something different, but so far it's over here in pieces. It's on hold. I hope to come back to that at some point because I really want to learn this skill. Things coming up in the near future. My hurdy-gurdy, my homemade medieval instrument that I make most of the soundtracks for all these videos with. I will show you what that build is and how that instrument works, how I play it, and how it produces these very ancient sounds that fits these videos very well. At least that's what I think and what I hope. It's very fun to play. It was very fun and challenging to build. It's not perfect, but it works. I'll put a video where you can see what this instrument is. And as I mentioned in the first update some months ago, I'm planning on doing some collaboration videos with other reenactors and craftsmen who specializes in various aspects of Viking Age crafts and reenactment that I cannot master myself. And I would love to make a feature with these people and bring you along so you can experience this as well, because I think it's an important part of the Viking community to share knowledge and to share ideas and to learn from each other. So that is something I'm really looking forward to, and I look forward to sharing this with you guys. Let me know what you think about these plans in the comments below. Let me know what you're looking forward to, and in the last video I got a really big amount of really positive feedback and ideas for future videos, and I'm trying to incorporate as much of these as it makes sense and what is possible for me to do. So keep bringing me your feedback, and I will do my best to do what I can. One more thing before revealing the giveaway. I was contacted by a YouTube friend who specializes in doing soapstone carvings with simple tools. He asked me if I would like to make a gift exchange. It was about Christmas time or Yule time, so if we could make an exchange of presents. I've been wanting to get myself a small soapstone lamp like the ones from Haitabu for a long time, and we agreed that he could make me one of these, and in return I would carve him a nice spoon. So I carved the spoon, sent it to him, and I received my Christmas present. This is the beautiful soapstone lamp that my friend the Dusty Moose sent me as a Christmas present. And come take a look. It's beautifully carved. It has a small hollow inside here with a raised thing coming up, and these fabric wicks that go in. The point is then to fill this with some kind of fuel. It could be oil, wax, bacon grease, lard, any fat, any kind of fuel to fill that up here, and this will burn for approximately half an hour. Great guy, great crafts. If you want to check him out, I'll leave a link for his channel down below. I love his work and his videos, and if you do too, consider giving him a like or a subscription or at least some positive feedback. And there's on his channel there's a video of him opening the package I sent him, unboxing the spoon I carved for him. So if you want to see how that went, check that out. And now for the giveaway. I have carved this little set of kitchen utensils. It's a serving spoon from red alder wood and a spatula carved from olive wood, and they have both been baked in the oven for darkness and rich colour, and then coated with natural linseed oil. I'm very proud of these two, and I think they are beautiful set together. And as much as I would love to just add them to my own household, I would love to see them go to one of you guys as an appreciation of you guys clicking the subscribe button and actually following me on this journey, helping me to grow my channel. These two and a copy of my original design posters that I created some artwork, got it printed on proper artsy, grainy poster paper with three little figures that I've been drawing for a while. All you have to do to enter the competition and maybe win these two spoons and the two posters is simply to make one comment to this video. It doesn't matter what it's about. Comment on one of the questions I asked, comment what you think about the channel, or just comment something you would like to tell me. Any comment will do, and that will make you an entry of the competition. I'll leave this competition open for the whole month of February. Let's see how far that can go, and by the end of February or the 1st of March, I will pick a random comment, and the person who made that comment will be the winner, and I will be in touch, and you will receive these two hand-carved, original, unique kitchen utensils, the spoon and the spatula, and a copy of two of my original artwork design posters. Maybe during February I'll come up with a few ideas for second prize or third prize. I don't know about that, but I have some things in mind. Let's see about that. The original occasion for doing this competition or this giveaway was reaching 1,000 subscribers, which was a huge milestone for me. I've been talking about that in the last video, in the last channel update. But with having too much to do, too many projects, and too little free time, and spending way too much time out in the wild, time just flew. And now we are almost hitting 1,700. This is mind blowing. It's growing at a decent rate, and I'm quite satisfied with where this channel is going. On a side note, it is also possible to purchase these posters. I have a very limited amount of prints of these posters, so if you're really interested in these things, you can contact me on Messenger or Instagram, Facebook, one of these messaging kind of things, and we can be in touch about that. I have a limited amount of prints that is up for sale if any of you are really interested. But let's see first if you might be the winner. When I was in Spain in Christmas in Asturias in the mountains, and I made the video about carving a belt buckle from antler. Sometimes when I do videos like that, I like to prepare. I like to learn before the video, so I can spend my time with the battery life of the camera as best possible. I practice and rehearse, so I know the steps. I know what tools I need, and if there's any parts of the process that I'm used to doing with modern tools that I now need to do with Viking Age tools, I have tried it out. I try to figure it out, so I end up normally with extra. And I have these 4 belt buckles left. They are also up for sale. So if you're really interested in this, contact me and we can figure something out. Thank you guys for watching this second little update about what's going on, about the giveaway, about my obsession with the wolves, and needing to have a tidy workspace. Let me know what you think, and stay tuned for more videos, and let's see where we can go together.